The Schluter-DITRA uncoupling membrane is specifically designed to allow the installation of ceramic and stone tile over any even and load-bearing substrate by providing uncoupling, waterproofing, vapor management, and support. DITRA provides uncoupling through its open rib structure to neutralize movement stresses between the substrate and the tile. This eliminates the major cause of cracking in tiled floors. DITRA also provides vapor management via the free space created by the open rib structure under the membrane, which allows for tile to be installed over young concrete and concrete subject to moisture migration. Floors can be made fully waterproof with Schluter-DITRA by sealing joints in the membrane with the Schluter KERDI-BAND waterproofing strips. The same practice is used to integrate the DITRA with Schluter-KERDI or Schluter-KERdi-board applied in the shower. The result is a comprehensive waterproofing system that protects today's moisture-sensitive substrates like plywood or OSB. Please visit Schluter.com to download the Schluter-DITRA Installation Handbook for complete details before beginning your DITRA project. Schluter-DITRA is installed simply and easily with thinset mortar. In this case, a modified thinset mortar is used because the DITRA is being installed over a plywood substrate. The mortar is mixed to a fairly fluid consistency, but still able to hold a notch. A 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch V-notched trowel, or the Schluter-DITRA trowel, which features a 4.5 mm by 4.5 mm square notch design, is used to apply the mortar. Clean any dust or other debris from the substrate. Apply a thin layer of the mortar with the flat side of the trowel to produce solid contact with the surface, and then comb additional mortar using the notched side of the trowel. Apply the DITRA fleece side down and solidly embed in the mortar using a float. Lift up a corner of the matting to check coverage. Proper installation results in full contact between the fleece webbing and the thinset mortar. Re-embed the matting. Schluter-KERDI waterproofing accessories are used to seal joints in the DITRA matting and connect the matting to the walls and shower assembly. The KERDI accessories are installed using unmodified thinset mortar. The mortar is mixed to a fairly fluid consistency, but still able to hold a notch. A 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch V-notched trowel, or the Schluter-KERDI trowel, which features a 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch square notch design, is used to apply the mortar. Apply unmodified thinset mortar to the area where the Schluter-KERDI Carrick preformed corners are to be installed. Fill the cavities in the DITRA matting and comb additional mortar using the notched side of the trowel. Embed the KERDI Carrick into the thinset mortar using the flat side of the trowel or a drywall finishing knife. Corner installation may be simplified by holding one side of the corner in place while embedding the other side of the corner in the mortar. Schluter-KERDI-BAND waterproofing strips are used to seal the DITRA matting to the curb. The band may be creased prior to installation to help maintain tight corners and make subsequent tile setting as easy as possible. apply unmodified thinset mortar to the area where the KERDI-BAND is to be installed. Embed the KERDI-BAND in the thinset mortar using the flat side of the trowel to ensure full coverage and remove air pockets. This process is repeated at floor-to-wall transitions and joints in the DITRA matting, ensuring that a minimum 2-inch overlap is achieved at all transitions. Sealing seams in the DITRA and connections to the shower assembly improves the overall utility of the bathroom by providing comprehensive waterproofing in an area that is repeatedly exposed to moisture.